Hey, today we're looking at the question, do you need a bookkeeper or do you need an accountant? A lot of people get very confused about what they need. A lot of businesses actually need both. Let's have a look at what they both do. So what does a bookkeeper do is they get your software ready with all the inputs sitting beautifully. So for example, every receipt for every bill you've paid is in there. Every invoice that you've given out is in there. A Xero bookkeeper or another bookkeeper is going to match your bank account to the actual payments you've made to make sure that you haven't double paid things and to make sure that you have paid everything you thought you paid. Also, a bookkeeper is going to keep track of your overdues so that people who you've invoiced who haven't paid you, they're going to help you track down those people and make sure that you give them a call. A bookkeeper is going to cost you about $65 to $100 an hour. Now that sounds like a lot, but it's cheap because it's cheaper than what you can do yourself. Why would you stare at software you don't understand taking ages to do something when you could be out there on the tools earning a lot an hour? Instead, you just pay your bookkeeper to do it. The other thing with the bookkeeper is they're a lot cheaper than an accountant because an accountant's about $300 an hour, but your bookkeeper does pretty much the same work as your accountant. The only difference is the accountant at tax time saves you tax. So the bookkeeper's job is to basically do the work of an accountant without having the authority of an accountant, without having the level of equipping you for tax purposes. Instead, a bookkeeper's expertise is just making sure that everything's ready for the accountant. Okay, so why would I say most businesses need both a bookkeeper and an accountant? It's because it's going to save you money. A bookkeeper will cost you money, but they'll save you more than they cost. As well as that, a bookkeeper is with you the whole year through. Generally, the accountant's only with you at the end of financial year. So you can use your bookkeeper to help you understand where's my most profitable sort of work and how much money have I got left at the end of each month before I have to pay some pretty big bills. The bookkeeper keeps you on track and the bookkeeper stops other bookkeeping done for you. That's Joel and that's myself. We're bookkeepers. We love making your life easier. And at the moment, we're doing a free initial consult on the phone or on Zoom just to work out with you, what do you need? A lot of people, they don't know what they need. They're like, do I need a bookkeeper? Do I need an accountant? It just feels confusing. So we can help you work that out, work out if there are ways that a bookkeeper can save you money. And if they are, we can get you started.